Hello. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can play this awesome game on your mobile phone. As you can see, I already get the game and I will show you how you can do it too. This method is very simple. Watch this tutorial carefully and follow all the steps and you've finished it in a few minutes. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. Launch your web browser and go to appfly.pro and find your game. As you can see, you will find many great mobile games on this website. Find your game and go to the next step. The installation process is very simple. Just click the Start Installation button. Now select your platform and wait for the installation to complete. The last step is simple device verification process. Just click Install App button. The verification process is simple. Complete 2 tasks from the list and remember to follow instructions below them. After that you will get fully working app. Let's speed up video for this process. After successful verification, your game is ready to play. Have fun.